In today's video, I am going to take a sample question of task 2 essay writing and I am going to write only the introduction of it. So let's say the question is, poorer countries have more issues as compared to the richer countries in terms of education. Discuss the problem and the solution. You can see that in this question, it is actually a non-opinion based question and it's a problem solution based question. So in this non-opinion based question, I am going to just write down the problems and the solutions by writing the paraphrased question and writing the outline of the essay, in which I am not going to use any pronoun. So it will be, developing nations have more troubles as compared to the developed nation in terms of literacy. In the further essay, few relevant examples will be discussed in the favor of problems as well as the solution. So when I write the paraphrased question, when I paraphrase the question using the synonyms, appropriate synonyms, the examiner can easily understand that I have understood the question completely. And this is how I understand the question. This is how I rewrite the question in my words. When I write the outline of the essay, I am explaining that in the further main body paragraphs, what are the things that I am going to discuss. So here, the task response is achieved well with the band score that is required. After that, we move on to writing the main body paragraph, that is after planning the essay. Thank you.